Today's topic is Python. Core topics covered today are Python basics, control structures, functions, data structures, modules and libraries, and practical applications.
If you're flying solo, no worries. We've got your back. You are never alone on this journey. Otherwise, let's turn this into a family game night so we can build confidence, spark curiosity, and have fun. Ready? Okay, let's go.
True or false? Over 80% of AI projects use Python as their primary programming language. That's true. Python is widely adopted for AI projects. Research big data and also research object-oriented programming. Python's simplicity accelerates AI development cycles by up to 50%. It's simple. That's true. Simplicity speeds up development. Research rapid prototyping. The Python ecosystem offers more than 1,500 AI and machine learning libraries. That's true. The ecosystem has a vast number of libraries. Research Python libraries for AI. Also research working with libraries like NumPy and Pandas. True or false? Python is only used for web development. That's false. Python is used beyond web development. Research full stack development. True or false? All AI algorithms are built into Python by default. AI algorithms require external libraries, so research pre-written code created by other developers or organizations that you can use in your projects. Python is not suitable for data visualization in AI. No, that's not true. Python supports strong data visualization tools. Research Python for data analysis and visualization. True or false? Python is the most popular language for deep learning frameworks. That's true. Python does lead in deep learning frameworks. Python supports both supervised and unsupervised learning. That's true. Both learning types are supported. So research supervised and unsupervised learning, two very important topics. Python code cannot be used for AI or mobile devices. That is untrue. Mobile AI is possible with Python. Research using Python for mobile app development. True or false? Python is not compatible with cloud-based AI platforms. That would be false. Python absolutely works with cloud AI platforms. True or false? Python is rarely used in computer vision projects. Of course, that's false. Computer vision uses Python extensively. Research apps, including those like OpenCV, that's open source computer vision library. Python cannot handle large data sets. Python can manage large data sets, research definition and characteristics, and the 5 V's: volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and value. Python's open source libraries make AI more accessible. That's true. Open source libraries increase accessibility. Python can be used for natural language processing tasks. Yes, that's true. NLP. NLP is a common Python AI application. Python is used in AI-powered recommendation systems. That's true. Recommendation systems often use Python. Research Surprise, simple Python recommendation system engine, and also research other similar products. Python libraries can automatically judge how well your AI model performs. That's true. There are many built-in functions to measure accuracy and much more. Python's AI toolkit is massive. You could use a new library every day for 4 years. Yes, you sure could. I want you guys to research cross-language integration. Python is mostly limited to academic research in AI. No, not true. Python is used in industry, not just academia. Python is not suitable for AI in healthcare. Untrue. Of course, not true. Healthcare AI projects use Python all the time. Python falls apart if you feed it a massive AI data set. Not true. Python eats massive AI data sets for lunch. Python syntax is beginner-friendly and especially good for new AI developers. That's true. Here's an example of syntax that's very easy for beginners. Take a look at it. Python is scalable for enterprise AI solutions. True. Research both MPVs and large-scale Python projects, and by MPVs, we mean minimum viable products. Python is used for AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. Yes, that's true. Chatbots and assistants use Python. Python supports neural network development. Neural network development is supported. To research this, look for a simple example of a feed-forward neural network implemented in Python using the NumPy library. Python is not suitable for real-time AI applications. This is false. Python is a typical choice for real-time AI applications. Python is not used in AI for finance. Python is used in AI for financial applications. Absolutely. That's false. Python can be used for reinforcement learning. That's true. Reinforcement learning is supported. Research reinforcement learning. Large and small projects benefit from Python. This is true. Autonomous vehicles use Python for AI. Autonomous vehicles do use Python for AI. Did you know that Waymo's autonomous cars have driven over 20 million miles on public roads? Python is used in AI game development. Absolutely. And I want you to research topics like arcade, research sprites and animation, collision detection, and sound integration. Congratulations, you made it to the end. Here's to you for taking the quiz and stepping into the future with AI. Here's to your willingness to have a new perspective, a new prospective, to experience new possibilities. Let's keep outpacing the challenges ahead. And if you've learned anything new, please hit the like button, subscribe and grow with us, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a way to stay ahead. Drop a comment. Let us know what we're doing right and maybe what we're doing not so right. Your comments and your opinions matter. And if you're enjoying the journey, follow along for even more ways to sharpen your edge. Let's push forward together, pros. I'll see you next time. All right, baby. AI.